Better?
Welcome back to the CrackBones channel. Now in the today's videos, I am going to be posting a wide variety chiropractic adjustment, spinal manipulation, manual therapy or muscle treatment from of ever some best chiropractor with some new addition. Also all of their contact link will be in the description box, that where you can check them directly. Now let's get into this video and I will see you next. Next we have Dr. Pankaj Choudhary.
Your liver, gallbladder, your intestines, they are tight, yeah. It's already the postures. Breathe out, breathe in, deep breathe, ma'am, deep breathe. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out.
Is that the psoas?
Swas, yeah, ilioswas. Yeah, this is swas, yeah. This hurts a lot, ma'am. Now we can do this ilioswas release. Breathe in, breathe in. Spread your legs straight, again straight.
Like this?
Yeah, yes. Slide it, yeah. Oh my God. See the muscle, man.
Oh, it's getting better.
Better?
Better.
Good. Breathe in. Turn that side, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, this is see fluctuate. Maybe because of excessive work on computers. Rest of the vertebrae are a little okay, but this C5, C6 is slightly misaligned. Down, ma'am, please. Thank you. Okay, this is slightly better. City junction, it's a cervical and thoracic junction. That is misaligned. That's why you are having more traps pain, ma'am. Both side trapezitis. Back. Come back. Forward band. Come back. Ma'am, you will spread your legs, see, like this and close. Yeah, you know, because you go in straight, so that's why you know very well. And now do the, yeah, yes. See, ma'am, this side,
Lock.
yeah, this side lock, right?
Yeah. I don't feel pain there actually.
Yeah. But see, this is lock, yeah. And see this cubital and thoracolumbar fascia is tight. Okay, please, ma'am. Now you have to lie down straight. Oh, yes.
And if you pull on my foot, I can feel right here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Pain here.
Pain is coming here, yeah? 1 second. More hurting here?
Yeah.
This is the problem here. This is SI joints. It's a sacroiliac joint. This is slightly high this side and this side is down. Slightly, I'm mobilizing your neck muscles. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just breathe out. Okay. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Come on your back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Relax. Breathe out. Oh, thank you. Now they're almost equal. Right now they both are equal. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Trust. Oh. Yes, breathe in. Breathe out. Oh. Breathe out. Trust. Just leg straight. Breathe out. Okay, one more time. Breathe out. Okay, breathe out. Oh, thank you. This I needed.
Oh my god, it's so tight.
Yeah. Bring them close. Bring them close, 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 close. Relax, relax. Okay. Spread them, man. Spread. Spread, spread, spread. Okay. Spread again. Spread. Oh, close, 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 close. Wow. So much strong muscles. Yes, thank you. This we did the pubic symbiosis. We did this thrust. I'm checking your belly.
But I have only had one other chiropractor in my whole life that actually treated me. He really healed me.
Mm-hmm.
No one else ever healed me.
Mm-hmm.
They just crack you and you're done.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't thoroughly heal you. I feel a lot better and I don't have a headache.
Okay. The headache will be better, and you will see the lot of changes within 24 to 48 hours, as per USA guidelines. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए, यस, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए, सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. वन मोर टाइम. दिस इज शॉर्ट टर्म. पैर में कौन से में दर्द आता है ज़्यादा? इसमें आता है ना. हाँ, ये ऊपर जा रहा है. हाँ, बाद में इलियम शिफ्ट हो गया. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. वन मोर टाइम. सांस लीजिए. रिलैक्स. पानी ठीक पीते हैं आप?
कर देंगे सर.
पानी थोड़ा बढ़ा दीजिए. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. गर्दन के पीछे लाइए हाथ. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. वाह, इजीली हो रहा है. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. यस. सांस लीजिए. इस हाथ को इस हाथ से पकड़िए. हाफ टर्न. पैर फोल्ड. रिलैक्स. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. बस. फोल्ड. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. ओके. गिव दिस हाथ. सांस लीजिए, छोड़िए. फोल्ड. ओके. हाथ यहाँ लेके आइए. ये कमर में रखिए. बस एक ही. आपको कोहनी को पीछे लेके जाना है. सिर्फ इसको नीचे लॉक रखना है. हाँ, लेके जाइए कोहनी पीछे. इसको कोहनी को पीछे. हाँ, बस. क्रैक. इसको लेके आइए पीछे. कोहनी पीछे. आराम से रुकिए. यहाँ रखिए. ढीला छोड़िए. हाँ, अब लेके आइए कोहनी पीछे. पीछे लेके जाइए.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.